Hailey-London.com is truly a standout destination for anyone who values sophisticated fashion, premium quality, and a seamless online shopping experience, offering an impressive blend of timeless elegance and modern style that immediately captures attention from the very first visit. The website itself exudes refinement, with a clean, beautifully organized layout that makes browsing effortless and enjoyable, allowing customers to explore collections with ease while appreciating the thoughtful presentation of each piece. Every item feels carefully curated, reflecting a strong sense of identity and purpose behind the brand. And it's evident that Hailey London prioritizes craftsmanship, detail, and overall excellence in everything they offer. The clothing showcases exceptional tailoring, high-quality fabrics, and designs that flatter a wide variety of body types, helping customers feel confident, polished, and comfortable whether they are dressing for an important business meeting, a formal evening event, a weekend gathering, or simply elevating their everyday wardrobe. What truly sets Hailey-London.com apart is the brand's ability to merge contemporary trends with classic silhouettes, ensuring that each piece feels fresh yet timeless, stylish yet versatile, and fashionable without being overly trendy or fleeting. The stitching, cuts, and finishing details speak to a dedication to durability and long-term wear, giving customers the reassurance that they are investing in pieces that will remain staples for seasons to come. The textures and fabric choices appear luxurious and thoughtfully selected, enhancing both comfort and overall aesthetic appeal, while the designs reflect a deep understanding of elegance that transcends passing fads. Beyond the products themselves, the entire shopping journey feels refined and professional, from clear and informative product descriptions to high-quality imagery that accurately represents each item, allowing shoppers to make confident decisions. The checkout process is smooth and secure, contributing to a stress-free experience that encourages repeat visits and ongoing loyalty. The brand's presentation consistently conveys sophistication, reliability, and attention to customer satisfaction, creating an atmosphere of trust and credibility that is incredibly important in online retail. Hailey London delivers more than just clothing. It offers a complete lifestyle experience centered around grace, confidence, and modern femininity, making customers feel valued and understood. The overall impression is one of excellence, where style meets practicality and quality meets affordability, proving that elevated fashion can still feel accessible and wearable. Every aspect of Hailey-London.com, from the curated collections to the polished brand identity, reflects passion, creativity, and a commitment to providing customers with pieces that inspire confidence and self-expression. It's the kind of brand that leaves a lasting positive impression, encourages you to build a wardrobe filled with enduring staples, and makes you excited to return again and again for beautifully designed pieces that effortlessly combine comfort, elegance, and contemporary charm.